take a video of me.
Wait, can you hear it? Like,
Yeah, I think you can.
Okay. Okay, so we're in Walmart and just gotta do a round off.
Well, cartwheel.
Crazy.
And square round off.
Nice bra.
It's pretty and white. I want it for the talent show. I usually don't want him.
Watch me.
Ew. Oh god,
Watch
I almost
me.
dropped your camera.
Watch
Are
me.
you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh great.
Alrighty.
She's gonna get us caught. I can do a back bend.
Come on, move. Okay.
Suck it. What?
Here, record me.
That's not good. Come on, Michelle, hurry up.
I used to know how to do round off, but I can't do it anymore.
Come on, big butt.
No, move. Hang on. Don't laugh if I don't get this.
Just go.
Hang on, there's
We don't have much time. Let's go.
There's something in your part. Go, just. You gotta move.
Now she's just going to hit porcelain dolls.
Let's see if I can still do this. If I fall on my head, oh my.
Gone for the cam.
I'm dizzy, I'm lightheaded.